My name is Ekaitz. I'm from the University of the Basque Country. I've been doing physics during the last 4 years, and next year I'll be doing my master thesis in quantum technologies. I decided to do the internship in this center with Nacho's group because I thought that this was a huge opportunity to get in touch with these state-of-the-art technologies, to improve and enhance my technical skills, and also be able to get rid of all these doubts about where to focus all my career and the whereabouts about nowadays physics. So I work in this lab in which we have this big cryostat which allows us to reach really low temperatures, and thanks to that we can reach superconducting temperatures for different materials, and due to proximitized effects we are able to understand and investigate the magnetic properties of different metal halide molecules that we put on top of our superconducting substrate.